Welcome to Bike Update, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and insights from the world of two wheels. In today's episode, we're focusing on one of Harley-Davidson's most celebrated machines, the XL883 and Iron 883. A motorcycle that embodies the essence of Harley's dark custom philosophy. The Iron 883 is a raw, stripped-down cruiser built for riders who want authenticity, attitude, and the unmistakable sound of a V-twin engine. Design and styling, minimalism with muscle. The Iron 883 is a bike that speaks softly but carries a big presence. From the moment you see it, the design makes a bold statement. The dark, matte finishes, the blacked-out powertrain, and the classic peanut-style fuel tank give it a distinctive, rebellious character. The low, slammed suspension and narrow frame emphasize its lean and muscular stance. Harley has deliberately kept the styling minimalistic, no unnecessary chrome, no excessive detail. Instead, the Iron 883 focuses on simplicity and attitude. The solo seat, chopped fenders, and short exhaust pipes enhance its bobber-inspired appeal. Even the small touches, like the retro round headlamp and the subtle Harley-Davidson logo, contribute to its pure, industrial charm. Engine and performance, the beating heart of a legend. Powering the Iron 883 is Harley's proven 883 cubic centimeters air-cooled Evolution V-twin engine, a motor that's as much about character as performance. Producing around 50 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque, it delivers its power in a smooth, linear manner. The throttle response is strong and immediate, and the signature Harley rumble is ever-present, deep, resonant, and soulful. The 5-speed gearbox complements the engine perfectly, allowing you to cruise comfortably at low revs or twist the throttle for a bit of spirited acceleration. While it's not built for speed demons, the Iron 883 offers enough grunt to keep things exciting, especially in city traffic or on long, relaxed highway rides. The belt drive system ensures smooth and low-maintenance operation, and despite the bike's modest power figures, it never feels underwhelming. Instead, it offers a truly engaging ride that's more about feel than outright speed, exactly what Harley riders love. Ride and handling, street-focused and confident. The Iron 883 is designed for urban riding, and that's where it truly shines. The low seat height of 760 mm gives the rider a confident, grounded posture, making it accessible even for shorter riders. The mid-mounted foot controls and slightly forward-leaning handlebar position create a compact, connected feel with the road. The front 39 mm fork and rear twin shocks may not be the plushest, but they deliver a firm, stable ride suited for city cruising and light touring. The bike's weight, around 256 kilograms, is noticeable at low speeds, but once in motion, it feels balanced and predictable. Cornering clearance is limited, typical of most cruisers, but the Iron 883 handles twists and turns with admirable poise. The Michelin Scorcher tires provide ample grip, and ABS-equipped disc brakes on both ends deliver strong stopping power when needed. Features and technology, modern touches in a classic shell. The Iron 883 stays true to Harley's traditional DNA while offering just the right dose of modern convenience. The electronic fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response and better fuel efficiency compared to older carbureted models. The instrument cluster features a classic analog speedometer with a small digital screen displaying odometer, trip meter, and gear position indicators. It's simple, clean, and easy to read. No fancy digital displays or ride modes to distract from the road ahead. Safety-wise, ABS comes as standard, adding confidence in wet or unpredictable conditions. Apart from that, the Iron 883 deliberately avoids rider aids or electronics, a conscious decision that appeals to purists who prefer raw control over computerized intervention. Comfort and ergonomics, built for the rider, not the passenger. The Iron 883's solo seat is designed to emphasize the rider's connection to the machine. It's low and supportive, but not particularly plush for long-distance touring. This bike is made for solo rides and short trips, not extended two-up journeys. The riding posture feels natural for most riders, though taller individuals might find it slightly cramped. The bike's narrow frame and low stance make it ideal for weaving through city traffic or cruising along scenic backroads. Vibration is part of the Iron 883's personality. You feel the engine's heartbeat through the pegs and handlebars, a reminder that this is an authentic Harley, not a smooth, silent machine. It's all part of the sensory experience. Customization, your Harley, your style. One of the biggest appeals of the Iron 883 is its customization potential. Harley-Davidson offers a wide range of accessories, from seats, mirrors, and handlebars to exhaust systems and paint options. Owners often modify their Iron 883s to reflect their personal style, creating everything from cafe racers to bobbers and street trackers. This flexibility is a huge part of what makes the Iron 883 a favorite among new Harley owners. It's a blank canvas for self-expression, allowing you to build a motorcycle that truly represents you. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With a 12.5-liter fuel tank and a mileage of around 20 to 25 km/L, the Iron 883 offers decent range for its class. It's practical enough for city use and short weekend rides, though not necessarily for long-distance touring. Maintenance is straightforward, and Harley's service network ensures reliable support. Verdict: pure, honest motorcycling. The Harley-Davidson XL883 and Iron 883 isn't about outright performance or technology, it's about emotion, heritage, and authenticity. It's a motorcycle that connects you directly to the road, free from electronic filters or modern distractions. If you crave a machine that makes you feel every pulse of its engine, that turns heads wherever it goes, and that carries the spirit of old-school American motorcycling, the Iron 883 is the bike for you. It's not the most comfortable or the fastest, but it offers something far rarer: character. In a world of digital perfection, the Iron 883 reminds us that true freedom still comes with a little noise, a little vibration, and a whole lot of heart. Outro: Bike Update. Thanks for watching Bike Update. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the Harley-Davidson XL883 and Iron 883, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle news. Ride safe, stay free, and keep your engines roaring. Until next time, this is Bike Update, signing off.